Welcome to this quick tutorial for the SE Overlay Asset Backup Helper. This tool was created and provided by me, TX Oyabun. Now let's install and use it. First, download the zip file and unzip it on your computer. Open Chrome, Chromium, or Edge. Go to the Extensions page. In Chrome, open Chrome//Extensions. In Edge, open Edge/Extensions. Now look at the top right and enable Developer Mode. After that, click Load Unpacked. Select the unzipped extension folder from the tool zip. Make sure you select the folder that contains the manifest.json file. Once selected, the extension should appear in your extension list. That means the tool is now installed. Next, open StreamElements and go to your overlay editor. I recommend refreshing the StreamElements tab once, just to make sure the extension can properly detect the loaded page. Now open the Upload or Media File window inside StreamElements. Go to All Files so you can see your uploaded assets. After the file window is open, go to the top right of your browser and click the extensions icon. Select SE Overlay Asset Backup Helper. The tool window will now open. Now click Scan Current tab. The tool will scan the currently loaded StreamElements page for visible or already loaded assets. After the first scan, you can switch to the next page inside the StreamElements upload window. The extension pop-up may close when you click away. That is normal. Just open the extension again from the browser extensions icon. You should now see that assets were already found. Click Scan Current tab again. The tool will add the newly loaded assets from the next page to the list. You can repeat this process as needed. Scroll, change pages, scan again, and collect more files. When you are ready, click Download All. The browser will now download the found assets into your Downloads folder. You can find them inside a folder called StreamElements Backup. Depending on the file type, they will be sorted into images, videos, audio, or other folders. And that's it. Your StreamElements overlay assets are now backed up locally. Thanks for watching.